All right, so there may be bad news for my Kia right here. What you're looking at here is a 3.5 liter V6, and the valve covers are taken off with the intake that's on top. And the plan is to replace the head gaskets, but as you can see, it is an incredibly complicated process because these wheels right here, these for the timing belt, they have to come off. I'm not exactly sure how to do it, so if anybody has any suggestions on what to do in the comments, let me know. But this entire power steering pump and all the belts down there would have to come off just for this job, and it's an incredible amount of work. And now that I'm looking at it now, I was already complaining about replacing the valve cover gasket, which was already done. Gonna have to get another one because I had to take it off again to see exactly what needed to be done. But the head gaskets are bad on this, and that's going to be an incredible job right there. So I don't know if I should even continue. I don't know. That's a lot of work. That is a lot. Look at that. All of this has to come off because of that, because of these two. Same thing with the other side, even though it's not too much. Like right there, these have to get these off. And then I'll probably have to take some of these bolts out here, obviously. And then I don't even have the tool that goes in these right here, and those things right there. My tool is too small, so I'll have to get a bigger size. But wow. Guys, let me know. Let me know what's next. Let me know what I have to do to I guess I might have to try these bolts right here. I don't even know. I'm sure all of this right here has to come off just so I can take these off and then pull that part up so I can get to the piston heads and whatnot. But man, look at that. Same thing with the other side. And as you can see, this is not really what you'd want the inside of your engine to look like, this darkish reddish purple right here. But over time it will get like that just from burning oil and whatnot. You can see the plastic is already falling apart right there, and this is just not good, guys. I don't know, I'd hate to call it a farewell because this thing's been in the family for so long, but that's a lot of work. That is a lot of work. It's already been sitting here for about, I don't know, weeks, just chilling in the cold weather, so it's already going to be hard to start up. Anyway, that's what I thought about doing, but you just have to put the paper towels in there so no debris will get in there. And the wiper strap is off, so when you close the hood, it's still a huge gap, but I put a trash bag over the entire thing so it's nice and clean. But I don't even know, man. I don't know if I should keep going or just call it a quits. Oh, and another thing, I broke that coil right there. As I was pulling it off to take the valve cover off, this one right here, I think it's that one right there, I broke that, and now I have to get a new one because part of the inside of the coil was still sticking up off the spark plugs in there. It was sticking off of that spark plug right there. So I already threw away the part, but I have to get another one of those now. So in other words, what I'm looking at right now is if I should keep going because of the unbelievably complicated process that it's going to take for me to replace these head gaskets, which was the issue in the first place. You guys saw that. If you guys seen that Deep in the Guts video I posted a little while back, all I did was change the spark plugs and the valve cover gaskets, which was already an incredible job because the amount of stuff what you're looking at here is not even half of the engine. Like the rest of it's over there. It's just too much stuff you have to take off just to do something simple like that. I get it, it's a V6, but man, that is a job right there. That is a job. This side looks a little cleaner than the other side, but those head gaskets don't play. I haven't tried a head gasket sealer. I figured if I'm gonna do the job, might as well just do it right the first time. But this is, I don't know if I should just say my goodbyes now, guys. I don't know. So let me know in the comments. There is no videos on this engine except for the valve cover gasket. Does not do that. But as far as the head gaskets, that is some work. So I don't know what I should do. I want to keep it, of course, but man, that is a job. Just in case this might be one of our final videos on this SUV on this channel, so might as well get as much recording time as I can with this thing. So yeah, and let me know what I should do in the comments, and that's it.